Thinking of changing your company name? Here's a simple guide to getting it done the right way. Step 1. Check if your desired name is available using the ASIC Business Name Register. If it's taken, you might need to tweak it. Step 2. Get shareholder approval. A special resolution requires at least 75% of votes in favor at a company meeting. Step 3. Lodge Form 205, Notification of Resolution with ASIC. Don't forget the filing fee, $491. Step 4. Wait for ASIC approval. Once processed, you'll receive a new certificate of incorporation with your updated name. Now, update your name on all official documents, bank accounts, tax records, and notify stakeholders. Save time and avoid mistakes. Our expert secretarial services take care of ASIC filings, resolutions, and compliance. Visit companychanges.com.au and let's get your company name changed the right way.